Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play AFK Journey on PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for AFK Journey. After that, a bunch of websites will be displayed in front of you. Simply open the first one and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the download button and the downloading will get started. Once it's done, open the launcher and this pop-up will be displayed. Now, checkmark this statement and then click on the install button. After that, you just need to wait for the loading to be completed. Now, click on the open button and this window will be displayed. Here, select download again and then choose the installation location. Once done, click on the start button and wait for a few seconds. After that, accept the terms and sign into your account. You can either use email or your Google account. Now, you will be prompted to choose the data size and components that you would like to download. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the second option, but if you would like to get the complete experience, select the first one and click on the confirm button. Once the downloading and compiling is done, you just need to click inside the window and the game will be started. Here, you will be prompted to select the character you prefer, and after you are done, click on Confirm. After that, click on the Begin Your Journey button and the game will start automatically. In order to get the full screen experience, click on the 3 bars icon at bottom right corner and then select the gear cog icon. Once done, go to the graphics settings and then turn on the full screen mode. You can also change the graphics settings if you want, but after that, close settings and play the game. So that's basically how you can play AFK Journey on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.